Guys, welcome back to another video, guys. So this week, first of all, I want to welcome everybody back, and for all the subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. So guys, help us to get to 14,000 subscribers, guys. So guys, from time to time I do just some healthy stuff on this channel, juice, a little bit of cooking, you know, a little bit of sorbet, whatever it is I feel like I'm making. But anyway, guys, so today we're gonna do a juice for weight loss. It helps to improve the brain and much more. So guys, we're gonna use ginger, purple carrot. Yes, you're seeing right. So it's purple carrot. So and of course we're going to use some beetroot. I have these beetroot in the fridge, so I'm just going to use them. I don't want to keep them any longer. And some apples, turmeric, cucumber, and lime. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get everything ready. I've washed everything here. The only thing leave to wash is this cucumber, and I have just a small piece, so I didn't want to wash that one and then didn't use all of it, because I don't want to put down the cucumber and then it spoil. So guys, I might just go along with what I have here. If we need more cucumber, then maybe I'll just do half of it, not the whole of it. So guys, I'm gonna just take it out the plastic. So I've changed my mind. I think I need enough water from the cucumber. I have a lot of water, so I'm gonna wash this, guys. So here you have it. So these apples, they are very small, so I won't be using the apple core. I'll just take the stem out, because they are small. If I use the core, most of the flesh to make the juice in the middle will gone. But when you have big apples, you can use the core. So guys, I am going to, so guys, as I was saying before, I'm going to peel my beetroot. I've already peeled one off camera. And guys, this is going to make a very powerful drink for the body, the brain, you name it. With all these fruits, apple, lime, purple carrot, cucumber, ginger, and you know ginger fight inflammation, guys. So guys, I'm cutting them into the size that can go through the cooling juicer. So here we have it. I'm almost ready, guys. And guys, the key lime, and this lime is from my backyard, guys, from my tree. I try to plant every little thing around the back. This can go just like that in the juicer. And as for the turmeric, guys, I'm just gonna peel my turmeric just like this. And everybody know what turmeric does. So guys, if you want to lose some weight, you can make this powerful drink. And of course, the ginger. Guys, I'm not gonna cut up and peel this ginger. I'm not gonna peel it, sorry. So I'm gonna slice it up. So guys, let's get into the juicing, guys. So guys, this is everything. So let's start the juicing. So guys, let's start putting in the fruit, my cucumber, and my fruits in my juicer. And guys, do you know that the #1 juicing removes part of the fiber? But there are two kinds of fiber. There are the soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. So guys, the soluble promote bowel movement and soften the stool and act as a probiotic to maintain a healthy gut. As to the insoluble, it does not absorb or dissolve in water. It prevents the risk of bowel disease as cancer. So guys, whenever you use your juicer and the trash come out, you still have fiber leave in the juice. You might not see it or taste it, it's still there. So guys, let's add some more beetroot and keep going. Look how rich the juice looks, guys, in the mixing bowl. The USDA recommends consuming between 25 to 38 grams of fiber daily. So guys, when you eat an apple, you still get fiber. If you make your juice and you need something to drink, you're still gonna get fiber in that juice, and you can use that fiber that's coming out at the side of my juicer to make smoothies. And of course, guys, you know that I'm using the Cuvin Revo 830. I just love this juicer. Look at how it's crushing the fruit, and you're getting the natural juice in my mixing bowl. So guys, now you see everything is in the mixing bowl, and we are gonna let out our juice. So guys, you can drink this juice to shed the weight of your tummy or any part of your body. And we are gonna go again. We're gonna do a second batch, guys. So guys, that's what's left. So let's go again. So guys, I'm adding some beetroot just like before, so it's like I'm doing it over again. So let's go, guys. So this drink will clean your entire body, guys. I have this drink 2 times a week, and it makes me feel super good. So guys, this is a very powerful drink with the beetroot, the carrot, and it's not an ordinary, it's a purple carrot, guys, apple, ginger, you name it. And guys, I added the turmeric in this drink also, and you know that fight against inflammation in the body. When you're getting older, the turmeric is good. So guys, let us add an apple. And look how the machine just crushes the apple, and look at the juice in the mixing bowl, and the trash is coming out. So guys, that's the insoluble fiber coming out at the side, and the drink still have a little bit of fiber that helps your gut. And guys, as I said before, this is an overall drink. This drink also clean our liver. So it's good for fatty liver, guys. It also lower blood pressure and much more. I will list some of the things in the description box. So guys, here is the second batch of juice, guys. Wow, look at that. So guys, here I am outside picking some mint to do the decoration. So guys, I'm gonna pour my drink out, and I'm gonna be very careful here. Let's switch the containers around and go again. So guys, there you have it. If you drink this drink, you make this drink and have this drink, you will lose a little weight. It's good for your brain and everything. A little bit of splash here and there from the beetroot. So guys, let's do a little bit of decoration as always. subscribe to the channel for more, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.